The Elephant and the Sparrow. A pair of sparrows were living happily in their small nest. The female sparrow was brooding over her eggs, while the male sparrow searched for food to care for his family. One day, a herd of elephants passed through the forest and discovered the sparrow's home, destroying it and crushing the eggs. Witnessing this, the female sparrow was plunged into deep sorrow.
I cannot forgive such cruel actions. My little eggs, how could such a tragedy happen?
She cried out in anguish. She decided to seek revenge and ask for help from her friends in the forest. She first went to the wise crow.
Dear Crow, we need your wisdom to protect us all from the elephants.
They have destroyed all my eggs. Can you help us?
After pondering, the crow said,
We can use the water from the lake to confront the elephants. If we make it impossible for them to drink, they will understand our pain.
The plan was set, and the sparrow and crow explained it to their other animal friends. Each took on their role and put the plan into action. Insects and bugs swarmed to the lake's edge, contaminating the water, preventing the elephants from approaching. After a few days, the herd of elephants began to suffer from thirst. The leader of the elephants, the large tusker, eventually appeared before the sparrow to apologize.
Sparrow, we sincerely apologize for the great harm our actions have caused you. We did not understand your pain, and now we realize our mistake. Let us find a way to live together in peace.
The female sparrow accepted the elephant's heartfelt apology.
I will accept your apology. Great Tusker, I hope peace returns to our forest. We must learn to live together in our little sanctuary.
This story emphasizes that all life in the forest relies on each other. As a community, conflicts and misunderstandings can be resolved through dialogue and understanding, and all creatures have the right to be respected. The importance of forgiveness and cooperation, a lesson that continues to inspire many people today. I hope today's fairy tale brought you joy and happiness. I'll return with an even more special story next time. Thank you for watching.